Yes, I have heard more than once. What is solar grazing?
You know those big solar fields? The grass has to be mowed. So instead of mowing it, I graze sheep on it.
I was able to learn about the little bit of solar grazing that was happening in the United States. This kind of solar, utility scale solar, and seeing grazing at scale. I saw that it worked, and it was so cool and so inspiring. Solar farms are filled with brilliant people, but very few people who come from the same background as a farmer. What's so amazing about this is it pairs the strength of one industry with the strength of another.
This is a way we can do things differently. This is a way we can be profitable.
It allows you to be a farmer and not have to own a lot of land.
Land access is a real challenge around here. It's really expensive, and it's a high barrier to entry. Solar isn't going anywhere, and these sites are going to need to be managed somehow or another.